Welcome to my teeny tiny greenhouse. In today's video, I want to talk about seedlings that have gone leggy and what causes it and how we can prevent it and what we can do with these seedlings. So let's dive right in. So I've planted some radish in this seed tray, and because they were planted so closely together to be able to be pricked out, they have grown with really long leggy stems. These ones I should have pricked out ages ago. I just ran out of seed trays, and even when I did pick them out, they were growing quite leggy, and they hadn't even developed their first true leaves. So you can see with these ones, they are still quite leggy. Another reason for them being leggy like that is because I have a big tree outside my grow house which is supposed to have dropped its leaves already. Normally it does, but now it's casting quite a lot of shade here. So these are coriander, yeah, and these I also should have already pricked out and put into seed trays a while ago. But you can see, look how long that growth is. It's because they're competing for the light. And then here, these ones were pricked out at the right time, and you can see that they are looking much better. What I've done now is I've actually put in a light. Let me show you. This is a LED light. It gives about 3,000 odd lumens, and I'm hoping that this is going to be the right blue-red combination. I've only had this light here for 3 days or 4 days, so I can't really say that it's made any difference yet. However, the onions have started to lift themselves up because they were starting to flop down. So it's not the end of the world because the seedlings are now leggy. You can still plant them out. You're just going to plant them a little bit deeper. So I'm planting them in these troughs away from the ducks and the chickens. Let's just pop this one out. So you see, I didn't use a dibber here. I actually dug the hole to get it nice and deep, and then you just fill it in. Let's see. Oh, that one's giving us trouble, but anyways, you get the idea. There we go. This one is now being difficult. There. Oh, now I've buried that one. Okay, but I've done it with that, with these, all of these, and you see, they will then start to form their little radish above there where their leaves come out, above at the top of the stem, and that's it. So it's not to say that you now have to throw those seedlings out. You can still use them, but you want to make sure that you have, when you've sown them in a seed tray like that densely, that you prick them out soon enough and that they do actually have enough light, and then when they are growing, you have sufficient light for them as well, so that they're not so leggy, because they can snap over and then it's a bit ruined. But it's not the end of the world.